while in Ecuador, we went to a waterfall called Pailon del Diablo, which translates to the Devil's Cauldron. I looked at a lot of travel sites and saw several photos and videos of this powerful but majestic and serene staircase where people will go down and take pictures with their loved ones and just reflect with this beautiful backdrop. And I thought this would be a great place to do some interviews. So we brought all the camera gear down there, and it's pouring rain. And I don't know how long it had been raining when we got there, but when we showed up at the staircase of the Devil's Cauldron, it was unlike anything I had seen online, and it was living up to its name. Here we go. Gary, you ready? Let's go! Oh my God! Look at this! Whoa!
This is crazy!
Go! I'll never forget you! Oh my God! Come on! What do you think?
The claw and hit my finger full speed.
That was crazy. Oh my gosh.
We're taking the girls.
Okay.
It's like a hurricane!
You can do it! You're already wet! You're already wet!
There's a cave! There's a cave next to this waterfall! I don't know if this is for tourists. Gary went into this cave somewhere. And if I know Gary, he's gonna keep going until he reaches the Amazon.